Right, hi guys, this is RLC321. It's just going to be a very quick video here. It's just while I was been working on this my client's Voyager build here. I wanted to, again as usual, just apologise for not making any recent content. I've had a few upsets in the family home. Basically, I'm now single. So, and I'll be honest and say I haven't had the time or the inclination to do anything yet, but I am now. And another bonus as well, I'm not going to be doing many videos in here because my laptop I'm currently using isn't very good at recording stuff. So, but once all of the ex's stuff is moved out, I'll be having a spare bedroom, and I'm going to be using that spare bedroom as my work office. No, man cave. Yep. It's gonna be my man cave there. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So it's her stuff ain't gonna be moving out till the end of the month. So there's probably not gonna be very many videos. And until then, as I say, it's because I need to get in here. I can't really work in here because if you look, I don't know if you can see. Oh, right holes. If you get up on personal there, you see all this dust and everything and debris. That's all coming from inside here, and I can't really paint. I can't really do anything because as it's drying, this is just going to be gathering all sorts of weird and wonderful bits and pieces. So that's why I'm going to be moving. I'm in here at the minute because what I can do is do some sanding and some things like that. But I just wanted to give it an update as to why I haven't had any videos going at the minute. What's been going on, but as I said, I'm hoping by the end of the month I'll be able to move everything back into my house and into the spare bedroom, where we'll be able to get more videos done and get everything all up and running and ready and raring to go. So all I can say is I apologize for this, guys, and I know you've probably been waiting for some of these videos. I've been waiting to do these videos as well. And not only that, there's previously, before then, I haven't been able to get into the shed because one, it's been too blooming hot and we had that heat wave, so I haven't been able to get in here and get what I needed done. And it's just, and then we had all that rain and then those storms, and it was just I couldn't get in. And then this thing happened with the ex, so it's just one of those things. It happens. Usually happens to me, but it happens. Shit happens, and there you go. So that's pretty much what I wanted to do. Just a very quick video, just to let you know that I haven't forgot you guys. I'm not stopped building or I'm not stopped doing anything. I just can't really do anything fully at the moment. So guys, on that note, I'm gonna want to do something here because I figured out how to put this the push button, because that's what I'm going to be using for my client. And if I just turn this around a little bit and pump this on there, on my little oobly. Are you going to stay? You're not going to stay, are you? The negative obviously goes to the negative. Okay, that falls over. And the positive is just going to be wrapped onto the positive. That is, if I can get it wrapped in there. Okay, so then in theory, what my client, all he would have to do is switch on his power and nothing will happen. But if we look at the model kit here, as soon as I press the button, we should have everything all lit up, which it is, and then pressing it again, it'll just switch it off. Okay, And it's something like this is very easy to do. From wherever you got the power, you need your plus and your negative to go on the plus and negative of where you're putting it into, and then make sure you got your positive and your negative connected to the correct thing. So then when you switch it on, Bob's your uncle or your auntie, just depends really. But there you go. So everything seems to be working electronics wise, which I am really happy about. And after there's a little bug crawling on. This is why I need to get everything back indoors, because it's out here it's not conducive to model kit making. It really isn't. But yeah, so all the electronics are working. This is now back on the way it should be, and you don't know if you can. Let's see if I can quickly do a sit cam here. See if we can. There we go. We can see the lights. Let's see if we can get it to focus a bit better. There you go. And got some lights going on in the shuttle bay area as well. And then of course over here we have also got the the impulse engines. So there you go. So let's get you back in there. So say just a very quick video just to show what this has done and what I've been doing and what I'm going to be my plans are for the future. So there's going to be an extra few weeks. I do apologize guys with no videos, but then once her stuff's moved out, I can then move everything into the spare bedroom and start making videos properly the way I want to make the videos in my own home, not being kicked out of my own home into the shed just so I can build, or because she didn't like it. That's what it boiled down to. But now I don't need to worry about that, and the microphone hasn't even been on. Right, so there you go guys, I've given you a rundown of what's happening. So in the next few weeks I will be making some more videos, probably towards the beginning of next month now. But anyway, I want to say thank you very much guys for watching. I just wanted to give you this update and apologise for not having any videos up sooner. But I will see you all in the next video, so you take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.